If your Fi TV channel package includes ESPN, here's how you can get access to ESPN Unlimited to watch the sports content you love anytime, anywhere. Step 1. Find your unique activation link. You'll need the unique link to unlock access to ESPN Unlimited. You can find this link in the announcement email we sent you or at epb.com/EPB to go. Step 2. Sign in with your MyEPB account info. On the authentication screen, enter the same email and password you used to log into your EPB Fiber Optics MyEPB account. Step 3. Activate ESPN. Next, you'll see an ESPN page. Tap the blue ESPN button. Step 4. Log into your My Disney account. Enter the same email you used for Disney Plus, Disney Parks, or Hulu. Hit the blue Login button. This links your MyEPB account to your My Disney account. You're now ready to start enjoying ESPN Unlimited. Don't have a My Disney account yet? No problem. You'll be prompted to create one. Just enter your email address, create a password, and tap Agree and Continue. You're all set. Going forward, you'll always log in to ESPN Unlimited using your My Disney email and password, not your MyEPB info. Need help? If you have any trouble getting access to ESPN Unlimited or have questions, our EPB Tech Pros are here to help. Call us anytime at 423-648-1372 or chat with us at epb.com.